using your new Chromebook, Model 3180.
This video will show you how to plug in and turn on your Chromebook. It will also show you how to log into your Chromebook and connect your Chromebook to the internet. You will also learn how to set the language for your Chromebook.
You will need your Wi-Fi connection information and your login information. Your teacher will have your login information.
This is your Chromebook. This is the charger for your Chromebook. You'll gently stick this smaller end into the Chromebook here. And the other end will go into an electrical outlet. Please don't stick the charger in too far.
Now that you've plugged in your Chromebook, you can open it up. Just put your finger in here where there's an indent and pull the top up like this. You'll see the screen and a keyboard and trackpad. The Chromebook turns on automatically when the lid is open. There's a little circle with a line through it and on top of the keyboard. This is the power button. Press that and the screen will light up.
This is the trackpad. I can use one finger to move the arrow on the screen, like this. I can press down or use a single finger tap on the trackpad when the arrow is touching something. That means I've clicked on something in the screen, just like when I use the left click button on a mouse. If I use two fingers, that scrolls up and down on a web page. If I tap with two fingers, like this, that's the same as using the right click button on a mouse. In order to log into your Chromebook, you will need your internet information, which is the name of your internet provider, and your password. You will need your student email address and your password. Please get your email address and password from your teacher. Usually your email address has letters first and then numbers, and your password is many numbers. You will see this welcome screen. Your screen may not have any names on it yet, or it may have many names listed on the right side of the screen. These are names of anyone who has signed into this Chromebook before you. If your name is listed onto the Chromebook, please click on it and enter your password, then click the arrow. If your name is not listed, please click Add Person at the bottom.
It will ask you to connect to the internet to sign into your Chromebook. You'll need to click the internet icon with the plus sign to add your Wi-Fi information. Then it will ask you to sign into your Chromebook. Please click the blue Next button. Now that you're on the internet, you can sign in.
Please enter your school email address. Your teacher gave this to you. If you forgot, please ask your teacher, then click Next. It will ask you for your password. Your password is usually a lot of numbers. Please ask your teacher if you don't know what your password is. Enter your password and click the blue Next button.
If you can read in a language other than English, now you can change the language of your Chromebook. Click on the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Click on Settings, which looks like a little gear beside the lock. Then click Advanced. Then click on Languages and Inputs. Next, click on Languages. Beside Device Language, click Change. You can now start typing the name of the language you need, or select it from the list of languages below. If you don't see your language, leave it set to English for now and check back again. because Google may be adding your language soon. If you see your language, click on it. Then click the blue button that says Confirm and Restart. The next time you sign in, all of the words on your Chromebook will be in your language.
Please remember to close your Chromebook before you move it. Use two hands to carry your Chromebook so it doesn't fall or break.
Make sure you don't eat or drink near your Chromebook, as spilling something on a Chromebook can break it. Try to keep your Chromebook away from younger brothers or sisters and pets so that they don't damage it.